got a little sidetracked with that new fucking camera. Great camera, application's shit, so the camera's useless. Right, the gooseberry. My 5 litres of spirit. Did I put 5 litres in? I did. My 5 litres of spirit has given me, it's a 3 litre bottle, 1.5 litre, about 4.5 litres of about 40% proof. And slightly cloudy, which you can see more in the 3 litre bottle. I mean, compared to the usual stuff, which is crystal clear, but it's got quite a nice flavour to it. That is quite nice. Yeah, it's got a really nice aftertaste. I like that. Yeah, gooseberries. Does the body good.